Now, Leo, you've recently held up a few jobs because you've forgotten a few things.
Really? I don't remember that.
Well, yesterday we had to paint May Moon's giant telescope, and you forgot to bring the ladders. And the paintbrushes. And the paint.
Oh yeah. Now I remember.
Good. So today's lesson is to check we've got everything before we go, and that we haven't forgotten anything.
Oh, that makes sense, Bob.
Right, this morning we're building a hut at the zoo to keep all the bananas in for the monkeys.
We're going to the zoo. Woohoo!
So, I've made a list of the tools we'll need, and I want to check that you have them in your toolbox, okay?
Okay, Bob.
Right, first off, spirit level.
Got it.
Great. We don't want a wonky shed. Have you got a screwdriver?
Got. Those screws aren't going to screw in themselves.
That's it. Hammer?
Check. Oh, I love hammers, Bob. I'm not going to forget a hammer.
Great. Then the tape measure and safety goggles?
Got and got.
And finally, the saw.
Ah, here. Oh, ouch. Oh.
Excellent. Then I think we're all set. Let's go build a shed. Okay, we're ready. What are you waiting for, Muck?
Aren't you going to bring your toolbox, Bob?
Oh, yeah. Silly me. I forgot.
Hey everybody, we're gonna build it like Bob the Builder and his team. So pick up your tools and follow me. Boots got hard hat, work like Bob the Builder. Boots got hard hat, everybody clap. Mix it up like dizzy, spinning round and round. Raise your arms like lofty